Good morning, children. We shall continue with pronouns. Now let us revise quickly. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words which are used instead of nouns to avoid the repetition of the same noun too many times in a sentence. Okay? Or you can say the words which are used instead of nouns are pronouns. That also you can say in short. Okay. Now we are talking about personal pronouns. Okay. They are used in place of persons, animals or things. Now you see I, you, he, she, it, they, we, then him, her, us, them. These are all personal pronouns. Now you see here, this is page number 40. Rewrite the sentences using the words in the box to replace the underlined words. Okay, we are going to replace the underlined words with pronouns, or rather you can say personal pronouns. Now you see here, Pankaj wanted to learn more about dance. So here you see, he wanted to learn more about dance. Instead of Pankaj, we will write here he, because Pankaj is a boy, so we will use he. He wanted to learn more about dance. We are using a personal pronoun here, children. Please see. Pankaj. You see, instead of Pankaj, because he is a boy, we are using he. He wanted to learn more about dance. Number 2, you see, the football players will practice on Friday evening. So instead of football players, see, this is plural. The football players, the subject is in plural. So we will use here, they will practice on Friday evening. They will practice on Friday. They will practice on Friday evening. Okay. Now number 3, you see, the final song in the play will be sung by Annie. Now instead of Annie, what we are going to write? We will write her. The final song in the play will be sung by her, because Annie is a girl here. The final song in the play will be sung by her. Okay, we'll underline here all the pronouns, personal pronouns will underline. So number 1, you see, he wanted to learn more about dance. Number 2, they will practice on Friday evening. Number 3, the final song in the play will be sung by her. Okay. See, children, we'll continue with 4. The bird built a nest under our bedroom window. Instead of the bird, we are going to write it built, because it is falling, the bird, this is falling under, you can say under an animal category. Okay, so the bird, for the bird we are going to use, the personal pronoun we are going to use, that is it. Okay, it built a nest. It built a nest under our bedroom window. It. Once again I am saying you, the bird falls under the animal category. Okay. So for the animal, what do we use? We use it. Okay. It. The pronoun, the personal pronoun it, we are going to use for the bird. It built a nest under our bedroom window. Radha, number 5, you see, Radha played the guitar beautifully. So we are going to write, she played the guitar beautifully. Once again you see here, Radha played the guitar beautifully. She played the guitar beautifully. Once again I am repeating. The bird built a nest under a bedroom window. It built a nest under a bedroom window. Number 5. Radha played the guitar beautifully. She played the guitar beautifully. Children, you see here, you have to submit your projects to Mr. Murmu. Now what will be the answer? You have to submit your projects to him. See which pronoun we are using here, which personal pronoun we are using him instead of Mr. Murmu. Actually, pronouns like you can say her, then him we use in the which form of the sentence? In the predicate form of the sentence we use this type of pronouns. Okay, you see here, we are not going to start the sentence in the subject, in the form of the subject we are not going to start with him. We will start with he. But in the predicate part, we are going to use him, her. Okay. But when we begin a sentence in the subject, like in the front part, that is the subject part, we have to start with he, she. Okay. He is a boy, she is a girl. See here, you have to submit your projects to Mr. Murmu. You have to submit your projects to him. Instead of Mr. Murmu, we are using the pronoun him. You see here number 7. Rashid, Paul and I will go to the autumn festival. So instead of Rashid, Paul and I, we will use we. We will go to the autumn festival. Okay, please see children, once again you see here number 6. You have to submit your projects to Mr. Murmu. You have to submit your projects to him. Number 7. Rashid, Paul and I will go to the autumn festival. We will go to the autumn festival. Instead of Rashid, Paul and I have used the pronoun we. We will go to the autumn festival. So children, all these 7 statements, whatever I gave you today, please note down in your copies. You write down lesson 6, pronouns, and please note down all these 7 statements with the answers. Okay children, just revise whatever I gave you. Go through them, write down in your copies. Thank you.